Bye, Harry. Ilang araw nang tuloy-tuloy ang ulan.
This morning, the Alberta River Forecast Center updated advisories across 7 major river basins simultaneously. That is an extraordinary situation. Tributaries to the North Saskatchewan River near Edmonton are under a high streamflow advisory with rises of 1 to 2 meters expected.
Pagka ganitong panahon, masarap talaga ang humigop ng mainit na sabaw. Anghang. Lumuluha yung ilong ko eh. Kinailangan kong uminom ng malamig na juice kasi sobrang anghang.
Medium coffee?
Yes, please. 2 cream, half sugar.
Anything else?
No, that's everything.
First sugar.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Coffee muna tayo, pampagising. Ganda ng Jeep Rubicon na to.
We're on our way, Sherwin. See you soon.
Okay. Awesome. So, it's raining, but still, we're going to Calgary today to deliver these 2 vehicles to Sherwin. Okay. So, ayan yung isa. Oh. Kia Forte GT. At etong yes, pinaka-pogi. Jeep Compass Trailhawk. Anong gagawin dito?
Park mo muna dyan. Or doon sa may likod.
Okay.
Or sige kahit dyan. Or kahit saan. Dyan, daga.
Where should I park this?
Park it in the front.
At the front.
And
Okay.
then just give the keys to Ali.
Ali.
Ali, yeah. And if Ali's not there, just say it's coming from Cars.
Okay, cool.
Amandio.
Alright. Awesome. The-drop off lang muna natin itong Chrysler Pacifica na ito dito sa pangalan nito, Extreme Auto and Truck Sales. And may pipick-upin kami ditong sasakyan na dadalhin naman namin sa Edmonton bago namin i-deliver yung buy one take one with cashback promo namin kay Sherwin. Alright, let's go inside. Ganda ng mga sasakyan dito, mga vintage. Okay, saan na tayo, boss?
Ayun na. Dito na tayo. Sa Extreme Auto. Kung may gusto kayong sasakyan, wag dito. Charot.
Akala ko may pipick-upin tayong sasakyan dito.
Hindi. Ida-drop yun.
Bakit?
Yun dapat ang pipick-upin natin dito pero dinala na nila. Tapos ngayon binalik ulit kasi may problema ulit. Ginawa daw, hindi naman ginawa. Nangyaymas.
Yun lang.
Kasi dito yung kinuha. Tapos sa client ko dapat may problema. Di iba na lang binenta ko sa client ko. Siyempre pala. Ay, pwede tayo mong gano'n. May 15-seater sila dito. Dito ng mga
Yung RAM?
ay na may mga Camry, kompleto yun, Pacifica, mga truck.
Daming truck nila dito. Yun, Kia Forte
Why sauce?
GT Line.
You know, AMG oh.
Oo. Ayun nga. Oo. Kaso,
Yung kinuha namin dito, palpak.
palparis yun lang.
Pero pwede ka na kumuha dito.
Ha? Pwede tayong kumuha dito
Oo.
sa akin. Ah, okay. Ang layo naman. Calgary.
Kinuha nga namin yung
Boss, ano masabi mo?
Buddy, salamat. Maraming salamat sa approval.
Ayos. Ito yung iyong buy one take one. So, isang Trailhawk at saka isang Kia Forte.
there you go.
Okay, me too.
Oh, it's good now.
Yeah. Oh, it's good now. Of course.
Yan. Thank you sa inyo.
This one's a Jeep Trailhawk.
Yes.
Sherwin's the owner of 2 new vehicles. There we go.
Thank you for your guidance.
It's a buy one, take one.
Buy one, take
Buy one,
one.
take
Yes.
one promo.
Let's go.
with,
Let's go.
with cashback. And, boss, ano man sabi mo, after 2 dealerships that you didn't get approved,
Yeah.
and then finally,
Yeah.
na-approve ka dito.
Yeah.
K-Cars. K-Cars helped you out. K-Cars.
So, what can you say?
Yeah. Everything is good, smooth, but take long, but
I know. Yeah.
Patience.
I
Patience.
know. It takes a
Always
little bit of
patient.
work, right? Yes, especially with this kind of situation, we specializes on people with challenging credits. Right?
There we go.
So yeah. And he also has a friend that is going to refer to us, right?
Perfect.
Oh, wow.
because
Yeah.
my friends, they have RAV4,
Yeah.
totally wrecked.
Wreck like car accident?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they said to me, he want to buy a Mazda.
Well,
So boss, anong gagamitin mo dyan panturo?
Pareho yan.
Pares yan? Ah, ito palang dalawang ito gagamitin panturo. Ayos.
Ito yung akin.
Oo. Tapos ito yung sa'yo, ano, na personal. Ayan. Okay. So, kaya pala siya bumili ng dalawang sasakyan. Sige, boss. Tuloy na kami, ha? Okay. So, eto na yung Trinade ni Sherwin. Iuwi na namin ito.
Pero hindi ka ano?
Ayan, nandito sa bag ko.
Ano siya?
Hindi, meron na kung ano.
Tingnan natin. Okay, we're rolling. We're heading to where?
back to Edmonton.
I thought we
No,
were
Burger King.
Burger King?
yeah.
Yeah, Burger King. You want Burger King, right?
Burger King, anything. A&W.
A&W, you want A&W inside? Yeah, sure.
Anything.
You said anything but A&W.
Anything
But
but
McDonald's.
burgers. All right.
He was happy though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sherwin?
very happy.
It's funny. But July 8th doesn't work. Not for me anyways.
What?
July 8th I'm on the food truck.
For the wedding?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
When he said that, I was so
sucks.
sad.
Sucks.
I wanted to come.
I also wanted to come to see you on your food truck actually.
July 8th.
Which
yeah.
food truck?
It's a Jamaican
Yeah.
food truck we have.
Oh, you have a food truck?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, a food truck.
Wow.
In the summer we bring it out like for festivals and stuff.
Nice.
But
Before he was chasing the sun, right, Kirk?
Yes.
Yeah, he was chasing the sun.
Yeah.
He goes every region here in Canada, doing the Jamaican.
Yes.
I want to eat one of it.
Food truck.
Is there gonna be a discount for it, Kirk?
I don't know if you work on the truck maybe. Make you work on the truck.
So what is your best seller?
Our most popular is the poutine because
Oh.
we have our version of, it's not the same like gravy or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
But we have a jerk pork one and we
Mhm.
have a jerk chicken, and the poutine is really popular. Yeah, both of them are really
I
popular.
should-
Diretso ba?
And then
I should try that one.
and we have jerk chicken
Uh-huh.
that we serve like mostly.
Mhm.
That's like the staple, jerk chicken.
Yeah, yeah.
And then our patties, our Jamaican patties.
All right.
This year we'll have
Do we have to gas up or 238 kilometers?
Maybe later.
probably got something right here.
Kirk, you want to drive?
Okay, stopover. Nagpagas lang kami. Kala ko si Dave ang magdadrive eh.
Yun lang.
Naisahan tayo ni Dave.
Maling akala.
Maling akala. Sali tayo ni Dave. Maulan pa rin.
Natatakpan eh, oh.
Tatakpan pa rin. Maulan pa rin. Oo, yun. Parito tayo.
Dapat dito.
Hindi, okay na yan. Ilang oras pa tayo?
Oras pa tayo.
Uy, connect mo ulit. 1
36
hour
minutes.
and 36 minutes bago kami makauwi sa Edmonton.
Let's go. Ay,
Uy, si Kirk.
Tara na.
Yeah. This is child lock.
No, it's not tayo lang. Ano lang talaga na ano lang, unlock, nakalak lang kanina.
Nakalock.
Oo. Kasi kung naka-charge lock yun, hindi mo bubuksan kahit anong buksan.
Did it?
What you got, Kirk?
Apple fritter.
Apple
Fritzer. You love those donuts.
So let's go.
Look at those cars. Dealership bought them for sure.
Yeah. No.
They're salvage.
I know, salvage. Those cars.
That Toyota, you're gonna see that after a month in Kaguru.
The which one?
That Toyota.
Oh, the
That.
4Runner. Is it a 4Runner?
Yeah.
Yeah. TRD. They for sure gonna fix that and sell it for
For how much? 30K?
for a nonsense price.
Okay, we are back in Edmonton. Ayun. Balikan lang kami.
At wala nang ulan.
Yun nga. Pero uulan pa more. Ayan, oh. Kita nyo naman yung langit.
mo.
Ay, nako. Alrighty. Okay. It's been a long day. So, uwian na tayo. Okay, we're going.
That I don't know. You don't remember? Oh, then just wait till tomorrow then. Well, we can't push it off too much longer. We need to figure out what to do with, like, to sell it to them, you know what I mean? Or what we're gonna do with it.
See you tomorrow. Ano, problemado ka, boss, ah. Let's go.
Lagi mo lang i-sleep. I-sleep mo lang ito lagi.
Natutulog naman siya mag-isa.
Ay, tulog mo isa?
Oh. Marunong yan. Okay. So, ito yung ida-drive ko sa sasakyan ngayon kasi ito, hindi ito pumasa sa AMVIC inspection. Meron siyang oil leak. So, kailangan ko i-check ito dahil hindi kami pwede na magbenta ng sasakyan na hindi pumapasa sa AMVIC inspection.